So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about IBM Recruitment Drive 2021 or IBM Off Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, I am requesting all of you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more job updates and the interview preparation videos and the guides. And don't forget to check our latest videos, especially Zoho, HCL, Microsoft, Rapido, Mdocs and the Amazon, Myntra, Intel, Cognizant are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for these jobs before they get expired. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description below so that you'll be able to know about the eligibility and the application process and the last date to apply for the job profiles or the job roles. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of IBM and IBM is hiring for the intern position only. So now let's discuss about the job details or the key job details. So their country, as we know, India, and state they are hiring for Karnataka, Bangalore location, and job experience required, or you can say the education required is bachelor's degree. Position type is the intern. Employment type is the full time. That means salary will be getting definitely starting from 45,000 to 60,000. Then contract type is the intensive. So after completing the intensive successfully, if you are doing very well, they will make you the permanent employee of IBM. Then requirement ID or the job code, this is, and travel required is no travel. That means from the office only you will be doing the intensive. So now let's discuss about the job role or the responsibility. So here they have not specified any batch criteria. That means all the fresh graduates or the graduate or the candidates those who are undergoing BTech, B, etc. can apply for this job profile. Starting from 2018 to 2022 can apply for this job profile. It is not like if it is written intern, that means only the 2009, 2021 and 2022 candidates can apply for this job profile. No, this is not like that. If you are a fresher or fresh graduates, you can apply for this job profile. Don't hesitate to apply for this job profile if you are a fresher or having 0 to 1 year of experience. So now let's discuss about the role and responsibilities. So as a research intern, you get involved in the work that really changes the world. What about the some year with incredible and the diverse career and development opportunities? So now let's discuss about the key professional expertise or the skills or the qualification required for this job profile. Student must be enrolled in one of the following degree program, that means BE, BTech, MS, MTech or PhD, and preferred degree includes computer science or the mathematics background only. Then students have good hands-on expertise in one or more programming languages widely used in open source community projects such as Python or C++, Java, Node.js, JavaScript, etc. Open source only. Then student should be decent Linux programming expertise or skills. Good to have some exposure to the open source projects with the big data platform, etc. Then good knowledge of the software engineering practices, including the agile process or the agile methodology. And student have a very good strong problem solving skills or the problem approaching skills and ability to deploy new things by using your knowledge or the skills. So if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply click on the apply now button here. After that it will redirect you to their career portal. You need to log in into your account first, then only you'll be able to apply for this job profile. So this is the talent network of IBM. So if you have not created any account in IBM previously, you need to first, this is the sign up page, first name, last name, primary email address, etc. The latest job updates through the email if you want to get, then check this, otherwise do the uncheck. So after that, connect and apply and skip and apply. So if you are already applied created an account in the IBM network, you need to simply click on the skip and apply. If you are new to their talent network or new to the IBM career, simply click on the connect and apply. After that you will be able to apply for this job profile. So suppose I am doing the skip and apply. After that I need to log in into my system, or you can say log in into my account first, then only I'll be able to apply for this job profile by simply click on the apply over here. You can see email address you need to provide, password you need to provide, then you need to sign in option there. So this is an easy process. I hope everyone will be able to apply for this job profile. Simple steps you need to follow, like attach your resume and provide your experience, skills, etc. Then you will be able to apply for this job profile. So if you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. We'll be definitely helping you within fraction of minutes or hours. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.